An electric scooter is a type of vehicle that has two wheels and can be powered by electricity. Modern electric scooters are typically powered by a rechargeable battery and have a maximum speed of around 15 miles per hour, although some newer models can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour. The average price for an electric scooter ranges from $300 to $1,500. In this video, I'm sharing the 5 most amazing and luxury electric scooters that you can buy.